Hey, 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 grocery spirit boosters. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Miss Janita is not back, but back. Because I told you, I'm trying to take a break from this. Because I'm on everything else, trying to take care of my other stuff. But it looked like it going to be what it is what it is. I know I'm sounding crazy as hell. But anyway, I just sharing with y'all another. It's not a online, it's a in-person haul from Food for Less. Today is the last day of the sale where they had chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts for $2.49 a pound. So we got 3 of them. They're all around in $10.80 something cents. So I'm about to separate the meat and I'm gonna open them all and separate them all for different meals. And y'all, I got to go. I got to monitor my eating habits again because I put on too much weight, and that's causing some problems for me. So now I got to regulate my diet again. I can't be hurting. I can't be not being able to do nothing. I need to be mobile. I need to get out. I need to get around. I need vitamin D. So anyway, therefore, I'm going to be eating a lot of light meals. Chicken salad, baked chicken. I don't know. I can eat a piece of fried chicken, but I just ain't going to be eating no 2-3 pieces like I normally would, or no large fry. I want salad, and I want to eat, within, moderation, because I'm trying to take these pounds back down. I didn't get back up to where I was when I first started telling y'all I was losing weight. I didn't get back there, but I was on my way. I had to say, whoa. But anyway, yeah, so today we having what's today? Monday. We having Monday taco. Taco Monday. That's right. I told y'all we don't have to have no taco just on no Tuesday, because when you got what you need to eat a taco, you can have it any day of the week. So that's what's happening here. We having Taco Monday. So, and we're not having chicken tacos, but we having, I should have a chicken taco, huh? Okay, anyway, I took the ground beef out, but I'm thinking, I don't know, chicken tacos, this is good. But I don't know. We having beef tacos. And I got some cilantro, I got some tomato, some taco shells, Kroger taco shells. And I guess I'm gonna have to chop the tomato and try to make me some salsa or something like that. I got the La Victoria, but I didn't get that from Food for Less. I got that from Target. I got a few things from Target. I'm trying to think, what the heck did I get from Target the other day? Oh, I know what it is. Let me see. Can I get it up here? I got some this is what I got from Target. I got the taco sauce, and I got some cooking oil. And I got some cooking oil from Target. But I did get some other things. I got some vitamins, some Neosporins. I got some deodorant, but those things I took in the room, so they're not in the haul, which I'm sorry for not sharing that. But yeah, I got that from Target, and that's about all. But y'all know what's up. I got the if I want a quarter, y'all know I got to do my 8 minutes. Now, some of y'all don't know, when you become monetized, I guess it's for everybody. I don't know if they got different rules for different foods. Oh, did I say that? Oh, but anyway, all I know is they send me a message, and I got to do 8 minutes if I want to see a nickel, dime, quarter from YouTube. So that's why we're going to discuss something in between the grocery haul. Yeah, I'm having tacos. Yeah, I got some orders from the Target and Food for Less / Kroger / Rouse. And my husband, he was trying to find, they had the sodas on sale, but they don't never have no diet cherry Coca-Cola. That is some good soda. Do y'all like any of the Zero Coke products? They taste pretty good, but I can't indulge like I want to. I can every now and then do it, but not all the time. I got to watch how much sugar this body take, because this body be suffering if I do too much sugar. Because I'm pre-diabetic. If I go over the limit, then I'm diabetic. And if I behave, then I'm okay. But if I don't, the sugar going to make me go pee like a fool. And it's going to make me bleary like eyed food. If your eyes blear, you're peeing, you're scratching, you're itching, you got rashes. All this stuff is diabetic. Hey, diabetic, symptoms. At least that's what I know. I have did some research, but I know how my body act when I get overloaded with sugar. If I got a witness in here, say so in the comments. Y'all know how this is pre-diabetes work. Now the folks that got diabetes 1, diabetes 2 is where you can control it. 1, you got to have all the insulin and all that stuff. And but that's what happened to a lot of us. We get that diabetes 2, then we can't indulge in all that foods that have too much sugar. Then there's a high blood pressure with the salt and all the other stuff going on. Oh my God, they still talking about Bobby Brown and Michael Bivins, I believe, saying they had strokes. They even saying Jamie Foxx had stroke. I don't know if y'all heard any of this. I guess nobody on my channel are familiar with any of these folks, but that's okay, because I'm still telling y'all what's happening. Then I seen on YouTube, I came across this video. I was looking on TV. I watch on my TV YouTube videos, y'all, and I came across this guy's channel. Don't even tell me, I don't know his name like that, but he was saying that what's his name, I can't even think of the man name, what I'm trying to tell y'all. Anyway, forget that news. That's over with. But I have still been getting emails from the FDA, I believe, putting out warnings about food recalls and stuff. They had one on, I think it was ground beef, or was it the chicken? Y'all know what I'm talking about? Just say so in the comments. I'm not trying to just hold y'all on this video forever. Y'all can just do 2 minutes and give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell if you're a visitor, friend, a looky-loo, or passy-by, just happen to stumble across this channel and you appreciate the content. You ain't gotta love it, but you appreciate it. You could just preferably subscribe or give me a thumbs up in emoji. I appreciate that too. That's all love. But I'm gonna let y'all go. When I have my news facts straight, I'll bring them back to y'all. Thanks, my returning supportive subscribers. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, Southern California people, if you got food for less, the last day for getting some chicken, skinless, boneless chicken breast, $2.49 a pound at Food for Less is today. So try and get your chicken. And people that are on a budget are on, what they call it, if you're on food stamps and stuff like that, you only getting paid once a month. I know that it's a holiday coming up, Mother's Day coming up, make sure y'all get these sales and deals on meat and food, because everything going up, so you can have something for the holidays. I'm just reminding the folks that are, on such programs where they only get paid once a month. So y'all carry on. Thanks. Bye for now.